Hey there! So, let's dive into this interesting problem we have here. The issue we're facing is that when we have already filtered the form and then click the Reset button, it doesn't actually reset the Select Tag Helper items as expected. Quite a common problem, isn't it? Now, let's move on to the solution that can help us out. The solution lies in changing the type of the button from Reset to Button in our form. By doing this, we ensure that the button doesn't trigger the default reset behavior of the form. Instead, we can handle the resetting of the form elements with a bit of JavaScript magic. The provided code snippet shows how we can achieve this by creating a function called resetForm with JS. In this function, we target the title input element and set its value to an empty string to reset it. We also reset the select element inside the form by setting its selected index to 0. To recap, we've successfully tackled the pesky issue of the form not resetting the Select Tag Helper items by implementing a simple yet effective JavaScript solution. By changing the button type and adding a custom reset function, we now have full control over how the form elements are reset. Pretty neat, right? Well, that's all for today, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next one.